Welcome to Experts Academy. Today, we are looking at how to recognize the signs that your mobile device might be compromised. Imagine you are driving down the road in your car when an amber warning light suddenly illuminates brightly on your dashboard. We all know what to do in that moment. We don't panic, but we recognize it as a prompt. We know we must pay attention and take action before a small mechanical issue turns into a total breakdown on the side of the highway. Your smartphone communicates with you in the exact same way. Learning to read your phone's digital warning lights is the critical first step to stopping a minor glitch from turning into a major data disaster. Today, our mobile devices act as the central vault for our entire lives, managing our personal routines and our professional responsibilities all in one place. Think about the actual information you carry in your pocket every day. Private text messages, family photos, sensitive company files, and passwords to your bank accounts. Now, imagine pulling that vault out of your pocket. It's incredibly hot, and the battery is plummeting. These aren't random glitches. Your device is actively struggling, trying to warn you of a quiet threat in the background. Ignoring these physical distress signals guarantees that all the sensitive files, messages, and passwords we just mentioned will be left entirely exposed to unseen threats. We call this a compromised device. It means an outside entity, or malicious software, broke through your phone's digital locks. This access happens when we download an unsafe app, tap a deceptive phishing link, or connect to unsecured public Wi-Fi. To spot this unauthorized activity, you need to watch for specific warning lights. The first category is physical engine signs. A major red flag is a battery that drains at an unusually fast rate, specifically when the device is sitting idle in your pocket or resting untouched on your desk. Another indicator is a sudden drop in performance. Your operating system might run exceptionally slow, freeze while you are typing a text message, or overheat without any environmental cause. Like a struggling car engine, these physical symptoms prove the device is secretly dedicating its processing power to malicious, hidden tasks instead of serving you. The second category of warning lights involves strange behaviors on your digital dashboard. You might unlock your screen to find unknown applications crowding your home screen, or discover that your device settings have changed entirely on their own. You could experience intrusive pop-ups, random advertisements, or aggressive fake warning messages appearing out of nowhere. Even your monthly mobile data bill can provide a clue. Massive, unexplained spikes in your data usage indicate your phone is quietly transmitting data to an outside source. That brings us to the final and most severe category of warning lights: security alerts. A critical alarm bell rings when emails, text messages, or social media posts are broadcast from your accounts without your manual input. The same applies to receiving unexpected login alerts, verification codes you didn't request, or sudden prompts to reset passwords. These are active alarms of an ongoing breach. Finding unknown apps or messages is like coming home to find your furniture has been moved. It simply means that someone else has already been there, and your personal mobile device is no longer operating under your own exclusive control. When a driver notices their car engine overheating, they pull over to the shoulder. When your phone shows these warning signs, your reaction should be exactly the same. First, immediately stop using the compromised device for any sensitive activities. Do not log in to online banking, do not check company email, and do not type in any passwords. Second, disconnect the device from both Wi-Fi and your cellular mobile data. This instantly severs the intruder's connection to the outside world. During this phase, do not click on any further links. Do not download apps that claim they can fix the problem, and do not attempt DIY repairs on a company-owned device. Instead, promptly report these strange behaviors to your IT or security team so they can begin the work of securing your device and your accounts. Finally, change any passwords that might have been exposed, but you must do this using a separate, trusted device, like a clean work laptop. By following this pull over and call a mechanic protocol, you contain the threat locally. You prevent a single infected phone from spreading a disaster into the wider corporate network. The security habits you practice on your individual device ripple out to impact the entire community. Human awareness is the foundation of effective mobile security. Catching these warning lights early directly protects your personal data, your colleagues, and your family members. If you ever have doubt about how a device is behaving, report it. It is always better to speak up early than to ignore a warning sign. A cyber-aware user is our strongest and most reliable first line of defense. Continuous vigilance and early reporting build a secure environment, guaranteeing a safe and successful organization. Thank you for doing your part.